One day in the next couple of years, everyone in the world will lose a second of their time. Exactly when that will happen is being influenced by humans, according to a new study, as melting polar ice alters the Earth's rotation and changes time itself. The hours and minutes that dictate our days are determined by Earth's rotation. But that rotation is not constant. It can change ever so slightly, depending on what's happening on Earth's surface and in its molten core. These nearly imperceptible changes occasionally mean the world's clocks need to be adjusted by a leap second, which may sound tiny but can have a big impact on computing systems. Plenty of seconds have been added over the years. But after a long trend of slowing, the Earth's rotation is now speeding up because of changes in its core. For the first time ever, a second will need to be taken off. A negative leap second has never been added or tested, so the problems it could create are without precedent. Patrizia Tavella. But exactly when this will happen is being influenced by global warming, according to the study published Wednesday in the journal Nature. Melting polar ice is delaying the leap second by 3 years, pushing it from 2026 to 2029, the report found. Art of figuring out what is going to happen in global timekeeping is dependent on understanding what is happening with the global warming effect. Before 1955, a second was defined as a specific fraction of the time the Earth took to rotate once in relation to the stars. Then came the era of highly precise atomic clocks, which proved a much more stable way of defining a physical second. From the late 1960s, the world started using Coordinated Universal Time (UTC) to set time zones. UTC relies on atomic clocks but still keeps pace with the planet's rotation. But as the rotation speed is not constant, the two timescales slowly diverge. This means a leap second must be added every now and then to bring them back into alignment. Changes in Earth's rotation over the long term have been dominated by the friction of the tides on the ocean floor, which has slowed down its rotation. Recently, the impacts of melting polar ice, driven by humans burning planet-heating fossil fuels, have become a significant factor. As the ice melts into the ocean, meltwater moves from the poles toward the equator, which further slows the speed of the Earth's rotation. But while melting ice may be slowing the Earth's spin, there's another factor at play when it comes to global timekeeping, according to the report. Processes in the Earth's core. The planet's liquid core spins independently of its solid outer shell. If the core slows down, the solid shell speeds up to maintain momentum, and that is what's currently happening. Very little is known about what's going on roughly 1,800 miles below the Earth's surface, and it's not clear why the core's speed is changing. It's fundamentally unpredictable. But what is clear, according to the study, is that despite polar ice melt exerting a slowing influence, overall the Earth's rotation is speeding up. That means the world will soon need to subtract a second for the first time.